kind of hard on ourselves sometimes. We think we're not doing a very good job, but I mean, it's everybody's struggle.
Some days we're literally just flying by the seat of our pants and just crossing our fingers and hoping it all plays out.
I feel like I hit a little bit of a rut. I decided to come on in and get some accountability, some help.
We're going to teach you guys a lot of things in these couple of days, but there's also a why behind all of it.
You can tell they've experienced it all.
They've done this, they've been there, they know what they're doing.
Whether it's a customer problem or some kind of business disconnect, deal with it right away. You let a little leak go before you know you have a black mold problem, you gotta knock your house down.
We don't have all the answers. We don't have all the answers for our guys. Having the training and the support of the people here to be able to help us help them, I think it just kind of brings it all together.
Running a home service business is very much like playing a highly competitive sport. You need amazing players, amazing coaches, and a lot of in-field coaching and training to make sure that everybody is following your championship winning system.
If you literally read through this, you could do the same thing that I did, and I had 17 years experience of learning how to do that.
Like you have to come do this because it just gives you a bigger vision. Like it allows you to see bigger.
You have nothing to lose. It's a small investment to attend and learn more.
Give me the value of why I would go with a company like you, and be very careful of what are you comparing us to.
I think this is going to easily double my business because it's giving me the roadmap of what I need to do to get there.
For somebody who is struggling like we are and doesn't know the right answers, I think that this is the perfect place to be, and we're very excited.